this is all about cutting edge. You know, I read something the other day that I thought was really good and really scary. And it said, there was a time when we accepted people to say, I'm not techie. Now it makes you completely insignificant, right? So for somebody to go, oh, I'm not that techie. Now it's one thing to say, I use more high touch over high tech, but of course we weave in high. I mean, if you're having an educated conversation about it, it's one thing, but to go, oh, I'm not very techie, like to show up to a Zoom meeting and say that, or to it literally discredits you and makes people not trust you. And if you're on here and you are someone who is not techie and you struggle with things, you either have to have a full-time person who is doing everything for you in the moment, or you have to take basic courses on everything from Zoom to other things, because you cannot survive the industry we're in and the world we're in and moving towards by saying, I'm not techie. Right? I mean, it will not last. So everything has to be cutting edge. Your AV has to be cutting edge. Your content has to be cutting edge. The way you present has to be cutting edge. Your stories, your material, all of that has to be.